Right, we're back. We're doing a step-by-step video on how to install a block paved driveway. For example, in this area, we started with the customer had already sub-based some of the area, so we were dealing with type 1. But yep, you want to dig your area out if that's what you need to do. Go around all the edges, mark it using a laser level to set up your height. Then you want to set up your string line. In this case, we were doing our ACO drainage first, so we did our ACO drainage. We then set up a line for our block work, which we then installed on a 5:1 ratio sand and cement bed. We then made sure our ACO drainage was correctly connected, and then obviously backfilled the drainage with shingle. And then obviously we ordered our type 1. Once all our edging had been installed, we then put on our type 1 and then set up our bars at height for our final level of 6mm to dust. There's a video here to see how we did that on screeding. We then compacted our 6mm to dust into place. Obviously the type 1 was compacted into place. We leveled out the 6mm to dust, and then that was also compacted into place before doing our final sort of screed over the area. You want to use a heavy duty whacker plate, obviously. So then once you've compacted it, do your final layer of your 6mm to dust or sand, screed that into place as seen in the video here. Generally just chuck a few scatters over the entire area. It just helps out, we found. That's what it should look like. Once you've got your final level sorted out and all screeded into place, you want to start laying your blocks. Best way to do it is someone laying and someone managing the flow off the blocks from behind. Once that's done, all your edges need to be cut in. We used obviously two different types of disc cutters, steel disc cutter here, but angle grinder you probably could use, but it'll take a little bit more effort. Use wet cuts as well, makes it a little bit easier. Once you've completed that, sand the area in using a kiln dried sand. Different colours, try to stick to one specific colour when you're doing this. But yeah, brush your kiln dried sand in. Obviously you need that to be dry, you want that to be dry. Once that's done, use boards or a rubber plate on the bottom of your whacker plate and whack the entire area in. Once that's done, sand the area in, go around checking all your edges and make sure everything's completed. And you've done all your snags. Blow the area off with a leaf blower, get all the grit off, brush in some more kiln dried sand if you want, and yeah, that is how you do a block paved driveway. Check out all our other videos on how to screed, how to do the block paving, loads of other videos on here. Leave us a comment below if you liked anything or you do anything differently, or if there's something else you'd like to see. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we'll check you out in the next video.